Those who are used to cursing other people's mothers are very disgraceful people indeed. Saddu Sharia, Badr al-Tariqah, Allama Amjad Ali Ardhami, rahmatullah ta'ala alayhi, has mentioned on page 195 of Bahari Shariat, volume 16. The beloved Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alayhi wa sallam has said, it is amongst the major sins that a person curses his parents. People asked, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alayhi wa sallam, is there anyone who will curse his parents? Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alayhi wa sallam said, yes, it is when he curses somebody else's father. The other person curses back at his father. And when he curses somebody else's mother, that other person curses at his mother. After narrating this hadith, Allama Maulana Mufti Muhammad Amjad Ali Ardhami, alayhi rahmatullahi al-qawi, has stated, the companions, the Sahaba Kiram alayhim ridwan, who had seen the times of Jahiliyyah, of ignorance, they did not understand that how could somebody curse his own parents? That is, how can somebody even curse his own parents? This was not understandable. The beloved Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam explained that it meant to make someone else curse at your parents, and nowadays some people curse their own parents, openly curse their own parents, and completely disregard them. May Allah Azza wa Jalla save us from this. Sayyidina Imam Ahmad bin Hajar Makki Shafi'i rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi has narrated that the beloved Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam said, on the night of Mi'raj, the ascension, I saw some people who were hanging from branches of fire. I asked, O Jibreel, who are these people? He replied, Alladhina yashtumuna aba'ahum wa ummahatihim fid dunya. Meaning, these are the people who used to speak ill of their mothers and fathers in the world. It is narrated, the one who curses at his parents, as many embers descend in his grave as the raindrops descend on the earth from the sky. It is also narrated that when the one who is disobedient to his parents is buried, the grave squeezes him so much that his ribs, they merge and interlock each other, crushing him. It is reported by Sayyidina Abdullah ibn Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma that the beloved Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, 3 people will not enter Jannah, will not enter paradise. Who are they? The one who is disobedient to his parents, that the youth, and a woman who adopts the appearance of a man. Who is it? Who is the youth? He is that man, that person who does not care about Shari'i veiling of his wife.